Look at this and now look at this. It's the same exact outfit and the same women. One look feel okay and the other feels look completely elegant and put together. The difference is not the clothes, it's something else called the accessories. Most people treat jewelry and shoes afterthoughts, but in capsule wardrobe, these are the secret to make 30 items looks into 300 different pieces. So today we are fixing capsule wardrobe accessory game and let's get into it quickly. So before we start, just a quick introduction if you are new to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel The Style Equation. In this channel, we simplify fashion using logic, balance and real life practicality. Our focus is to create well-balanced look through thoughtful styling instead of blindly following trends. So until now we have reached step 7 of a capsule wardrobe series and I feel today is the most transformative one. So the entire video is divided into two parts. First, starting with the jewelry pieces that actually add value to your entire look, and the second is moving straight to the essential footwear. And don't miss the end where I'm revealing one secret of how many footwear we actually need in our entire capsule wardrobe. It's much smaller number than you think, but it's the only number I would say that matters. Let's start with the first one called essential and everyday pieces. First, we are building your basic or everyday go jewelry, which I called as a signature set. These are the pieces you can wear it every day, no matter what. They will look expensive and balanced with every outfit. No overthinking, it's just a effortless styling tips with these jewelry pieces. First is stud earrings. A classic stud, whether you are a gold or silver person, these are your 24/7 goes. They add that teeny spark of that light to your face without even competing to your entire outfit. Next is the delicate chain. A thin layered gold chain adds that polished finish to a simple t-shirt, I can say. Next is bracelet. A sleek bangle, nothing loud or crunchy I would say. Just a clean line on your wrist that pulls the whole look together. Next one is the statement pieces. I called it as the outfit makers. If you have ever looked in the mirror and felt like your outfit was just fine, trust me, these pieces are just your fix. You don't need a whole new look once again. You just need that one statement pieces to anchor the entire vibes. So here are few examples. Gemstone earrings. Thick, chunky gemstone earrings which I would say quick pop of color near to your face area, which instantly makes a basic white tees look elegant and effortless. Next is bold chain. Here we are talking about that one thick gold chain like this, which adds a little bit of edge to a feminine top or t-shirts or a structured blazer or layerings. There are few other statement pieces you can try, but I personally used these two, which are my absolute favorite one. If you are a beginner, you can try from these two only. Now the next one is the seasonal and travel friendly pieces. Now for me it's also another favorite section when it comes to choose jewelry. Think of this as a special jewelry from the everyday go I would say. They are fun, they are easy and they immediately signal that you are in a vacation mode. First one is the beaded or shell based jewelry. They add a playful organic texture that works perfectly for a beach day or maybe weekend brunches without feeling that too heavy to your entire outfit. Next is lightweight hoops. For travel, start adding a lightweight hoops to your entire capsule wardrobe. For me, they are the ultimate travel hack. They are comfortable and easy to wear, won't weigh down your ears during a long flight I would say. They are just comfortable and perfect one for your travel capsule wardrobe. Next is the anklet. It's an optional one, but I personally like it. A tiny anklet is best for that no effort summer look. It's a tiny details that makes a pair of sandal or a simple flat even more intentional. Next one is the transitional pieces and it's called my absolute favorite, the Style Champion. If you need to just transition from that everyday office look to a dinner date in less time, then these are the only pieces you need to reach for. First one is the chain style bracelet. A classic chain link bracelet is the ultimate multitasker. Wear it single for that clean professional look. Comes to section 2 of today's video, which is called footwear. Now here stop thinking matching footwear concept to every outfit and start thinking what is the right shoes for every outfit from the limited and neutral shoes collections. Shoes can genuinely make and break your entire look. So this is not the place to cut the corner, especially when it comes to choosing the color of the footwear. So here is the truth. In your entire capsule wardrobe, only need 6 pair of shoes. That's it. And trust me and believe me, only 6 pair of shoes is enough for your entire capsule wardrobe. Let's discuss one by one the designs of the 6 footwear. First one is the sneakers. These are the most versatile options. You can pair it with jeans, skirts, pants. These are more comfortable, functional, and goes with everywhere. This is the one category where I would say invest a little more. A good pair of leather sneakers will outlast 3 cheap options, I would say. Second one is the loafers. These are perfect for casual meeting and polished day. Think it as a smart casual office look. But here also, whatever loafers you pick, comfort is non-negotiable. In the end of the day, you should walk freely and smartly by carrying your entire look in confident and balanced manner. Third one is the flat. I must say it is your easy and feminine and no effort options. Just make sure they are genuinely comfortable and not just pretty in the box. Fourth one is the block heel. These are the best option for your business meeting and formal office day look. Make sure you are having enough and comfortable height to feel elevated and stable to actually work in all the day. Fifth one is the fancy heel. Whether it could be a pointed or edgy one, that doesn't matter. Just pick it wherever you are comfortable. These are perfect for your dinner date, dressed up shoes. But remember, comfort always comes first when it comes to any fancy heel or to carry your entire look. And the last one is the flip-flop or water-resistant sandal. These are perfect for that rainy days or beach trips. Not glamorous, but in the end of the day, so you will be so glad that you own them. So as we are now wrapping up the video, let's recap quickly what we discussed today. In jewelry, you need 4 categories: essential, statement, seasonal, and transitional. In footwear, you just need 6 pairs: sneakers, loafers, flat, block heels, pointed heels or edgy heels, and sandals. Together, these 2 accessories literally take your entire capsule wardrobe from just clothes to a wardrobe that actually works for you effortlessly every single day. So if this video helped you to see accessories differently, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to know more about styling tips and ideas. Now drop a comment and tell me which category you are missing in your entire closets. So see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.